Now the next is the lectin or the MBL pathway. Lectin, now these lectins are again, these are the proteins that recognize and bind to the specific carbohydrate target. The lectin or MBL pathway is activated by terminal mannose residues of glycoprotein or polysaccharides which are found on the surface of bacteria. That is, these lectins are the proteins that will identify and bind to the specific carbohydrate target cells. Uh, Basically, we will see that the bacteria which is uh, on the surface of the bacteria, the terminal residues of glycoproteins or polysaccharides are found. Here the lectins get binded, but the mechanism of this pathway is similar to classical pathway. It is activated by binding of mannose binding lectin MBL to mannose residues. MBL is an acute phase protein and its concentration increases during inflammatory responses. Its function is similar to that of C1q of classical pathway. These terminal residues are not found on the surface of mammalian cells. Therefore, the lectin pathway of complement activation may be responsible for discrimination between self and non-self. As this pathway is activated in the absence of antibody, it is part of the innate immune defenses. After initiation, it proceeds through the action of C4 and C2 to produce the activated proteins of the complement system. After MBL binds to the mannose residues on the surface of a cell, that is on the surface of a bacterial cell or pathogen, MBL associated serine proteases MASP1 or the MASP2 bind to the MBL. MASP1 and MASP2 are structurally similar to C1R and C1S, therefore their functions are same. The complex MBL plus MASP1 plus MASP2 causes cleavage and activation of C4 and C2. The activation of C4b and C2a components helps in the formation of C5 convertase. It uses all the components of classical pathway except the C1 protein. So these are the mannose associated serine protease. MASP is the mannose associated serine protease 1 and 2. Here you will see in this figure the classical pathway. It is starting with the C1 component of the complement system. C1 having subunits as C1q, C1r and C1s. So in the classical pathway, antibody, it binds to the specific antigen on pathogen surface. There is the participation of C1, C4 and C2. This enters into or forms the C4a, C3a, the C3b which is formed, this together combined to form the C5a convertase. It is responsible for the peptide mediators of inflammation, phagocyte recruitment. In the lectin pathway, antibody binds to the specific antigen on pathogen surface. MBP and MASP along with C4 and C2, it participates to form the classical C3 convertase. C4b and 2b, that is the C3 convertase. The C3b and the classical C5 convertase C4b, 2b, 3b binds to the complement receptors on phagocytes. Opsonization of pathogens takes place with the removal of immune responses. And in the alternative pathway, antibody binds to the specific antigen on pathogen surface with the participation of C3b, factor B and factor D. Results to form the alternative C3 convertase, that is C3b and capital B small b, which enters into the alternative C5 convertase, that is C3b to BB, and this leads into the terminal complement component C5b66, C7, C8, C9, that is the membrane attack complex MAC, which brings about the lysis of certain pathogens and cells. So this is the figure in which it shows the steps of the pathways of complement activation and action. The main difference between the three pathways is the recognition event that initiates the activation and the steps that immediately succeed it. The function of the early part of all the three pathways is to produce an enzyme called C3 convertase, which cleaves C3 into C3A and C3B fragments. The C3B fragment then binds covalently to the pathogen's external surface or to the bacteria's external membrane. C3B bound to microbial surfaces can either bind to the complement receptors on phagocytic cells, which facilitates the phagocytic size of the pathogen, or can activate the terminal components of the complement which attack the integrity of the pathogen's cell membrane. The smaller C3A fragment, together with smaller similar fragments cleaved from C4 and C5, induces inflammation by recruiting inflammatory cells to the area of complement activation. MBA, that is mannose binding proteins, mannose associated serine proteins like MASP, MBP associated serum protease.